Hello, today I would like to show you how to repair the very old toy. This is the Tamagotchi. I think it can have about for 14 years. And when I start this toy, I see the buttons don't work, and today I would like to show you how to repair that. Okay, first of all, we remove the battery. After remove these four screws. Okay, the screws are removed. Now okay, like that, we can take the air stick and we use some alcohol to clean this contact. First I will clean the contact here, after here. I will clean the all contact for the future. Okay, now I put together like was before. Like that. And I will check the and it started, and like you can see when now the buttons work and the toy take a new life. Okay, and the toy started to. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.